Hey Chargers, back with you for a little bit of schedule understanding here. I know that this looks like a lot. When you get your schedule today, whether you access that online or you actually come up to the school to pick up your schedule, this is what it's going to look like. So I've blurred out the name and the password of our student that's allowing us to use theirs. But if you will look here where my mouse is, you will have your username for everything that we mentioned the other day in the distance learning tutorial. Your username will be here. There will be a slash, and then your number password will be right here. Again, guys, please do not change that. I know it's tempting. I know you want to save it as something you'll remember. Just learn to memorize this number. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to read this because I know that if I was looking at this for the first time, it would be very overwhelming. So, if you will, if you have a pen handy, it may be helpful if you underline your stuff like this. If you want to, you can pause the video and do that now. But if you'll notice, I have a column here above the Monday. And if you'll only look at this column here that says Monday, I'm going to talk you through that right quick. So this is what we go by as an A day at Covington High School. If it's on a Monday or a Wednesday, we call that an A day. So let's just look at the Monday column. On Monday, your number 1 and your number 2, if you'll notice, they are the same. So 1 and 2, this student here has Algebra 2 with Ms. Willis, both as the 1 and 2. So the 1 and the 2 are considered your A1. The 3 and the 4 are considered your A2. And see, she has the same person. She has Miss Matlock for her 3 and for her 4. And then her 5 and her 6 are considered A3. So you go down to 5 and you go down to 6. And there she has English. And on her 6th one, she has English. And then for 7 and 8, she has office worker and office worker. So for her 7 and 8 for A4, everything matches up. So if you follow that column down, 1 and 2 are A1, 3 and 4 are A2, 5 and 6 are A3, 7 and 8 are your A4 class. Now let's move on to B Day. The same thing goes for B Day. If you follow the same little Tuesday column down, our Tuesdays and our Thursdays are represented by B days. So if you follow the same column down, the 1 and the 2 will be your B1. The 3 and the 4 will be your B2. The 5 and the 6 will represent your B3. And the 7 and the 8 will represent B4. Again, guys, if you need to pause the video, screenshot it, anything that will help you understand what we're doing here. Now, during the staggered schedule, if you are a face-to-face learner, this is the schedule that you will follow. Don't let it overwhelm you either. So on Monday, August the 17th, we will see the last names A through K. On Monday, August 17th, we'll see the last names A through K. On Tuesday the 18th, that's when last names L through Z will come. And we'll follow that alternating schedule until Labor Day. Now, if you look at it, it does look a little different than what I just told you. However, your A1 is represented by your Monday 1 and 2 that I just showed you. So if you're an A through K on Monday, you will follow A1 through 4 schedule. If your last name is L through Z, you will follow your Monday A1 through 4 schedule. Then we go to Wednesday and we start going to our B day classes. So on Wednesday, last names A through K will visit their B1 through 4 class. And then on Thursday, last names L through Z will visit their B1 through 4 class. And guys, I put in red what you actually see on your schedule to try to help you if you were one of the people that highlighted or maybe wrote on your schedule or something like that so that you could keep up with it. Now, guys, Friday is a little bit special. We're actually going to have a remediation that day. So like if you have fallen behind on your work or we can tell that you've been struggling or maybe you need some extra help and you've contacted us, we'll call you in for remediation. You do not come to Covington High School unless you have received a call from someone at Covington High School telling you needed to be here.